Welcome to 5861 Dunridge Drive in Pace, Florida. This home is located in the gated community of Stonechase. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, and it is absolutely stunning inside. I cannot wait to show you this beautiful home. We do have a ring doorbell, as well as hardy plank siding and gutters on the exterior, as well as hurricane coverings. There's also a home security system, as well as a thermostat with Wi-Fi capability. So coming into the foyer area, very nice size foyer. We have a tray ceiling and a wonderful light fixture in here as well. First, I'm going to take you through the main living area, and then I will take you to the primary suite and then the additional bedrooms and baths. So very spacious open floor plan here with high ceilings, recessed lighting and crown molding throughout. We do have a wood burning fireplace with shiplap detail as well. Fresh paint throughout the home. Just gorgeous in here. All of the light fixtures have been upgraded and updated as well. Into our dining area, we have French doors that lead to the covered patio, which I will take you out to check out in just one second. Wood look tile throughout the main living area. Into the kitchen, we have a nice size island with quartz countertops, breakfast bar with seating for 3, Kitchenaid appliance suite here, electric cooktop with a pot filler, very, very convenient, a wonderful feature to have. Beautiful Arabesque tile backsplash as well. As you can see, we have a built-in microwave with a refrigerator with ice and water dispenser and 2 additional pull-out drawers. So just a wonderful flow in this home. Just off the kitchen, we have an oversized pantry as well as laundry. In the garage, which has painted floors as well as a utility sink, it has been freshly painted inside as well. All right, and this is a split floor plan, so we have a little privacy with our master separated from the additional bedrooms and bathrooms. So into the primary suite, beautiful tray ceilings in here, just gorgeous. There's a king size bed in here and plenty of room. Over into our spacious walk-in closet. The master bathroom has gorgeous dolomite countertops. We have a double vanity here. Walk-in shower. This is handicap accessible as well. And there is also a water closet for privacy and a very large linen closet. Just a wonderful layout in here. All right, I'm going to take you on the opposite side of the house. Over here we have our additional full bathroom. Again, gorgeous dolomite countertops, and we do have a modern shower here with a shower tub combo. Absolutely stunning. Here we have our second bedroom on the front side of the house. Again, wonderful fixtures in here. Everything's been updated, even the ceiling fans in here. Just across the foyer, we have our third bedroom. All the bedrooms in this house have walk-in closets as well, so plenty of storage in here. And then upstairs, we have our fourth bedroom. There is a mini split up here, so that helps save on air conditioning costs and utilities if you didn't need to utilize this space all the time. So we also have this bonus space. This could be an perfect home office, a home gym if you needed that space, for yoga or a playroom. Lots of possibilities for this space. And The great part about it is if you needed it for additional walk-in storage, it is climate controlled. So into our 4th bedroom. Super charming up here. As I said, on our left, we have our mini split. So this room here is over the garage. This space also has a very nice size walk-in closet. So again, lots of storage in here. All right, I'll take you out into the backyard. So we have a fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence. And this house is just impeccably maintained. It's like a brand new house. So covered patio out here. Nice sized backyard. We have some towering pines back here. Very peaceful back here. All right, I'll take you back inside and give you one last look at the kitchen and main living area. So if you have anybody who'd like to see it, or you'd like to set up a private showing, we would love to show you this house. Again, it is just absolutely stunning in here. This is 5861 Dunridge Drive in Pace, Florida.